A very warm welcome to all of you from the Integrated Wellness Clinic 360-degree care team. This is our Teen Health Cafe unit, and we are excited to connect with our teenagers today. This is going to be a very interactive session where we are here to just listen to what your heart has to say. And this has been a challenging time. The COVID time has been a very challenging time, especially for you people, because your social life has taken a turn, a 360-degree turn. And what is this change of life? It has brought some struggles, and you have succeeded successfully in most of your struggles. We would like you to share your experience with us today so that we can learn from it, and your other friends too can learn from your own experience. So we at the Teen Health Cafe, we are a team of 3 doctors. Dr. Ruby Bansal, she is an HIV and sexual disease expert. She's a wellness expert. She has two teenage children herself, one in the beginning of teenage and one an adult teenager. You can treat her like a friend. You can talk anything to her. She's ready to, listen to what you have to say. Dr. Deepika Kohli, she's a clinical nutritionist, but she loves giving us diet plans which you children would love to have. She allows junk food, she allows chocolates, because she herself, she's very fond of chocolates. So she will allow you cheat days, and still, she will let you lose weight. She will let you lose weight. She'll keep you fit. That is her USP. Dr. Deepika, as you can see, she almost looks like a teenager to me today. So, and myself, I am Dr. Priya, I'm a homeopath, and you would feel that homeopathy takes time. No, I give prescriptions, I give treatments which have the speed of 5G internet connection, and you quickly respond to the treatment. That's all 3 of us, our team, ready to help you anytime. We have a YouTube channel, all of you must subscribe to it. As soon as the session ends, you must subscribe to the channel. It is IWC 360-degree care. And we keep on uploading our sessions. This session will be uploaded. You can share it with your friends. And, in the beginning only, I would like to thank Jalad Baveja. He really helped me. We started with 5-7 people initially. He called in all his friends, that Aditi Kohli, Prakhar Bansal, Niyati Jack. I would really like to thank all of you for initiating this session, for connecting us to your friends, and together we start this journey of listening to each other and knowing what is in your heart, and then we will also tell you what lies in our hearts. Okay, so we start with Ishan Devani. He is in class 12. Ishan?
No, sorry, I'm in class 11.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You are just going to go in class 12. Yeah. Okay, Ishan, can we hear from you?
Yes, so I'm Ishan. I'm in class 11. I'm preparing for IIT. So I have classes every day, approx 5 to 6 hours almost. Then I have homework and studies, and then, I have miraculously found out some time for exercise. Till 10th, I have never exercised. So I have done that. This exercise helped me do that. And also, I'm starting to learn an instrument, the piano.
Oh.
Yeah, so this has helped me do that.
So I say, Ishan, your both parents are the marathon runner. So you will also
Yes, they are.
Marathon runner. You are going to become a marathon runner. I'm happy that you have started running and you have started exercising.
Not as good as them. Not even close.
Definitely, if you have started, you will be as good as them. Any of your different experience in this COVID time? Just quick.
Just miss my friends. That's all.
Oh,
Yes, you are happy.
Yes, there's nothing.
And how the Mumbai rains are taking, so you are happy.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Yeah, it's quite heavy, and you all are safe. We wish you all to be safe. Anything
Yes,
else you want to tell, Ishan?
No, nothing. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Ishan. Dr. Priya,
Okay, so quickly we go to Akshita Gupta. She just passed 12th, and I think she's got a dream college. Akshita, please share your experience.
Hello everyone, my name is Akshita and I just got enrolled in Narsi Munji Institute of Management Studies. So initial days of lockdown was not so good for me because thinking about boards and then entrances, and what made it more worst was that our entrances getting postponed due to technical glitches. So what kept me on going was the constant motivation which I used to get from my family, my friends, and video calling my friends, talking to them, and sometimes going to the terrace and clicking the pictures of the sky and writing poems for my loved ones. So yeah, yes, I used to do these kind of things to, keep myself positive every time.
Uh, Akshita writes beautiful poems. I've read her poems, Dr. Ruby, Dr. Deepika, she writes beautiful poems. Next time, Akshita, next session, you're going to share your poems with us. We would love to hear from you. All the
Yes.
best for your new life.
All the
So
best.
we have,
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishita Devan. I'm a class 12 student, humanities stream. So this lockdown was nothing as such new for me. Actually, I'm suffering from an illness, and because of which this was almost my routine in class 11th. Like I was not able to go to school in class 7 and hardly passed my final exam. So it was not new. But the thing I learned in this lockdown was the importance of health, how health matters. Like in past 2 3 years, I have learned uh, due to my illness. But the more I learn, like how immunity matters and how food is our medicine. And one more thing I learned is how to be happy while self sufficient. Like actually, my father also was tested positive for corona. So we all were in quarantine in our room only, but it was very difficult to be confined to a single room. So it was difficult that I was not able to meet my friends. Then I had classes. Then I was not able to go outside for buying stationery and all stuff. My homework got delayed. But somehow it taught me how to be self-sufficient, how to enjoy own company. After that, I came to know the importance that we should enjoy our own company and do not depend on others for our happiness. That's it.
yes, Ishita, I know you personally. You are a fighter. You are an inspiration to so many. We would love you to give us a talk someday. Other children can listen. You are a fighter. We really love you for that. Okay, if we go to another Ishita, Ria and Ishita, I see both the sisters sitting together. Ria, Ishita, share your experience, please.
Actually, the lockdown has been like good for me. Like personally, I don't really have like some people are actually suffering with the coronavirus and they have to deal with the fact that people around them have it, but we haven't had like that. And like I'm in 12th now, so it has actually been good for me since now I can study at my own pace. Otherwise, if I would have to follow however they do the syllabus. So that has been easy for me because of the online classes. And we're almost done with the syllabus now. So I'm at home and I have a lot of time to study for my boards. Which
Okay, Ria, you want to add something, Ria?
I really like this because I don't really like to go out. So I just talk to my friends, like video call, and I really like
Dr. Ruby, I had seen these girls, when they were 4 or 6 years, and I'm seeing them today, maybe. So it's lovely to see
They,
you.
they
And
are big, beautiful girls. So
yes. So I wish everybody opens their video. We want to see, Aditi, why don't you tell us, what you have been doing in the lockdown?
Okay, Handy. I'm not doing anything actually.
No, you are doing.
I'm just
We know you are doing.
Hey, what
I'm
is
missing my friends,
that?
missing school, missing tuitions. Want to go out, hang out,
Yes.
and helping my mother, and have taken some cooking tips from my elder sister, Lubna Thakkar. But just doing this.
Okay. Thank you, Aditi.
So
Thank you,
how
Arushi.
Aditi, for you that this COVID time is bad basically because you are not able to go out. So you are not liking this. You like
Yes, auntie.
not with
No, auntie. I'm not liking this.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, auntie.
Aditi will have to find a way out, Dr. Ruby, for Aditi. She must feel good.
Yes,
We
yes.
we must help Aditi.
Good.
Please welcome Lubna.
Hi, hello everyone. Thank you, Masi, and everyone for giving us this opportunity to actually come and share how our experiences have been. Um, So initially, yes, this lockdown was a little difficult for every one of us because this is something new for everyone. It's like no one was accustomed to anything, to be jailed at home. I know this is a little harsh word, but yeah, this is what everyone is feeling like. And I am in 12th grade now, and we were cribbing like anything that our last year of school is getting wasted. We wanted to have fun and everything, but it took us some time to rationalize the fact, the situation around, and we are now okay with it, because I actually realized during these few months that there are always going to be people who are in a better situation than you, and a few people who are in a much worse situation than you. So if you keep
Wow.
looking on the people who are in a better situation, then you will obviously crib, and there is no point in cribbing about by looking at people who have a lot more money and a lot more facilities. It's not about the money, but there are also people who don't have a shelter at their heads, they don't have a roof, they don't have food to eat. And we, on the other hand, are blessed to have a luxurious life. Our parents have given us such good facilities. We have Prime Video and everything. We can watch movies, we can easily attend our classes, our studies are not getting hampered and everything. So yeah, it is good. And like Chita, I guess, I'm sorry if I'm mistaken, she said that we have time on our own, we can study at our own pace. So 2020, yes, it is doing a lot of bad things, but at the same time, it is having a lot of plus points that we actually need to carve out and figure out for us ourselves. Because if we keep on looking at the negative things, then we ourselves won't be happy, and so there's no point. So let's just take it that way, that when we have lunch or dinner, then we always eat the things that we don't like first, and save our favorites for the end. So it's just
Yeah,
like
right.
that, the bad days, the boring days, the gloomy days, I must say, are just getting over, and then there are happier days, the cheerful days in store for us in the future. So that's about it. Thank you.
Oh, Lubna, those were such nice words from you, what a thought, what a thought. Dr. Deepika, thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
Is Kabir here?
Be this
Okay.
side. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, thank you for letting me be a part of this initiative, and thanks to Jalaj Baveja for telling me about this. I usually spend my time in my online classes. 10th class students would relate with me that we all are getting art integrated projects, group art integrated projects. Yes, ma'am. As I was saying, I usually spend my time with my online classes, and 10th class students would relate with me that we all are getting art integrated projects from CBSE.
Right.
And I work out every day except Sunday. It's God's day. And I usually spend my time, I talk with my friends in evening, video call them. And in my summer vacation, I developed an interest of making portraits, black and white sketch portraits, and
Wow.
that's it. I also participate in Model UN competitions. I've participated in this lockdown. I've participated in two of them, and I've got awards in both of them.
Wow, Kabir. So
Thank you.
next time, Dr. Deepika, if the Kabir, comes to you for some consultation, clinical nutrition, the fees is, he's going to make a portrait of Dr. Deepika. Okay, Kabir?
Definitely.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now we move on to Gurneet. Gurneet, class 9. We move to Aryan Saini. Aryan Saini, please.
Everyone. Hi,
Hi, good afternoon.
my name is Aryan and I'm a class 12 student. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for making me a part of this. And in my opinion, the lockdown has had a positive impact because the productivity has increased a lot. Like I have more time to study, and overall as well, I've taken up some extracurricular activities. I've taken an interest in drawing. I like to draw now. I sometimes play the guitar as well.
Wow.
But yeah, mostly I'd like to say that yeah, the productivity has increased. I have more time to study. But yeah, it's a problem that we can't go out. I do miss my friends. I do miss school. And as Lubna said, her last year of school is going to waste. But we have to deal with it this way. We can't do anything.
That's great.
Okay.
So nice of you, Aaron. So I think we need the inspiration. Everybody should
Yes.
who are feeling alone, who are feeling out of the world, or they are feeling in the jail. So just I think these sessions are making will make you happy ki how the others are spending time, because this is a need of an hour. So it's nobody wanted this, and it is for the safety of us only. So we are the doctors, we are going, we see how the situation is bad. So I should just say that all of you should be healthy and happy. Find out the happiness in yourself. Okay, Dr. Priya, let's move.
So next we have Niyati Jain. Niyati, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, Niyati.
Good evening to everybody. I would like to thank Dr. Ruby for inviting me to share my experience. There is nothing much to share, but then me being in a boarding school, always have to wake up at 5 o'clock. So now that we can wake up anytime, whatever we want, but then it's that we have online classes, so we need to wake up around 9. And then my mom, she learned many new dishes. She cooked she cooked many dishes. So yeah, so eating all of that, we have grown fat. So I learned cycling, and I go for cycling every day. That's it.
Oh, thank you, Niyati. Is Pranav Bahl there? Pranav?
Yes.
Yes, Pranav. Pranav is currently in class 12. Pranav, we would like to
Yes. Yes. So I am an extrovert and I like to make friends. I have too many friends and I usually make new friends. And this lockdown has changed everything. Like it has been opposite, totally opposite. And I have always been loving sports, and I could not play sports in this lockdown. Like life was smooth going before this lockdown became the part of our life, and I did not interact with my friends till 1 month when the lockdown began. And then also I stopped doing physical activity, and maybe also my boards and many entrance examinations are coming this year. So I also online classes started, like started everywhere, coaching, schools, and I got very less time to do something else, like do something new. People said that we need to do something new in this lockdown, learn something new, but I never felt like doing that too, right? Then I thought that I should do something about it, because this is going to stay for months, right? So I made a new Instagram group and add all of my friends there. So even they felt happy being there, and I thought that they felt the same what I felt, and like they felt to be happy there. And I thought then I found that talking to people really helps.
Right, very right, Pranav. Now we move to one of the boys whom I really love. He helped me for the session. He gave me ideas, what do teenagers want to talk? What do teenagers want to hear? Okay, so now my lovely boy Jalaj Baveja. Yes, Jalaj.
So good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jalaj. I'm studying 9th standard. So basically, my journey started on 24 March. On that day, my life has just twisted. In the beginning of the lockdown, I was really excited. It was new for all of us, and I thought it would be great break, as we were not going to study at home, and school. We need to sit idle at home the whole day. So basically, in lockdown, I started the painting, and then I got bored from there. Then I jumped into the next level. I started cooking. Then I got bored from there also. Then one day I was surfing from Instagram. I saw that there is a free trial class of White Hat Junior. So that is a coding class, and basically I love computer. So I started that. I took a trial class from there, and it was basically really fun. And I started White Hat Junior, and it would be my 5th class. I learned how to make a game, a whole game. And basically, the benefit of lockdown is that we spend time with the parents. When basically lockdown will get over, our schools will start and the tuitions will start. We'll not get the time to sit with our parents and chat. Basically, lockdown is the best time to sit with our parents and spend time with them. Thank you.
Very good, Jalal. That's a great thing. I think quite motivating. And we all should, even the many elders are feeling lonely, but we should learn from the Jalal and the many other kids who are just doing something new. Yes, Dr. Priya.
Jalal cooks really well, and I've tasted some of the food that he cooks. And I wish the lockdown keeps on for another 6 months, so I can get dishes made by him.
Yes, yes, Dr. Priya. Surely we will have the one of the kids session, cooking session, cooking recipes.
We'll have. Definitely, we'll have that.
I'm not.
We will give them the best recipe, so Dr. Deepika can judge the whole session.
Dr. Deepika will watch the session because I'm a very bad cook. My children will tell you I'm a poor cook. So, Jalal, thank you for your
I
words.
hope the session.
Thank you.
Yes. So we move
Thank
to
you, Jalal.
Sargun.
Thank you so much.
Sargun is in class 7. Sargun, we would like
I
to.
just, Dr. Priya, just want to add one. I don't know, maybe the few want to leave or something. So I will just tell children just stay there because you are connecting with many of the young, same like children. So you may get some idea of how to spend time and how to if you are feeling lonely, so how not to be feel lonely. And I would like if you can share in your chat, in the chat box, you can just share, you can give us the idea what exactly any kind of the help you want from us. We are as friends. We are doctors, but we are the doctors for the young one. And we are the friend, we would like to be help you for the any kind of the discussion which you want. So just drop some ideas, what you want maybe in the future sessions. So that's all my request. Okay, over to Dr. Priya.
Yes, Sargun, please tell us how you're spending your time.
Hello everyone. Today I, Sargun of class 7, is going to share my experience with you all in this COVID pandemic situation. So when I heard about this virus starting in the month of March, I was very much anxious and agitated. And then we had a lockdown, which was a new word for me. Firstly, I was very happy and a little scared too. I was happy because I can relax, I can play all the time, I can study from the home. And then I faced online studies. Firstly, I thought that it will be very difficult for me, but now I can face it very well. I can attend all the VCs. So I also had a very good opportunity, which was spending time with my parents. As my parents are working, so I could not spend time with them. So now we all go to the roof in the evening and play games, badminton and all. So in these days, I got to touch with all the household works. I made cake, spring roll and momos. I learned to make them and many more recipes. I also became a helping hand for my mother. So one minus point was that I could not go to my maternal grandmother's house for many months. So she had a very tough time without us. So as the cases increased, I got more worried, and my father was more frightened than me. So, but we overcame the situation. So with our family support and help, we can overcome any situation. This was a very good learning for me. I also started doing exercise to increase my height and made a lot of drawings in this situation lockdown. Thank you.
Okay, Sargun, those were really nice words. She's in class 7, but I think she's an inspiration for all of you there. We have class 6 also with us. Dhani Agarwal, Yuvansh Suri, class 6. Yuvansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Yuvansh.
Yes, ma'am. I'm Yuvansh. I'm from class 6. And according to my opinion, my lockdown experience was of challenging, and it was full of challenges because staying at home for a lot of time, and this was the first time in my life that I had been in home for such a long time. But yes, was for us and for our lives. So it's not a bad time, it's a fun time, and I also utilized it in my mathematics skills and join some language institutions like Sanskrit. And I would like, first of all, I would like to thank all the doctors, especially Dr. Ruby Bansal and Dr. Shada Jan for making this event and for making it and adding me in this event. And all the doctors who are working for us, risking their lives for us and risking their lives for our family as well. So, lockdown experience, initial days were not so much of fun, but yes, slowly, when the lockdown phases were going ahead, we were also going ahead in the level of experiencing, like, we can do many things in this lockdown. We are exploring, like, we can play with our families, we can watch movies, we can recreate ourselves. Although this is a bad time, but God gave us some time to utilize it and to relax with our families, which we could not do in our daily routines. So this is a really fun time which we can spend in our family, although it is not a good time or it's just like a slight bad time, but yes, we can spend it with our family. This is what I wanted to share, and thanks to all of the doctors.
Thank you, Yuvansh.
Thank you.
Can we hear it from Prakhar Bansal, please, Prakhar? Yes, I can see you, Prakhar. Yes, Prakhar. What are you doing in the lockdown? How is it treating you?
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Prakhar Bansal of class 8. I will be sharing my opinion of this lockdown. I think so. Lockdown have advantages and disadvantages too. I love to cook, so I see cooking videos on YouTube and try them. And I was celebrating birthdays and festivals in my home and attending my online classes. I think so that we are getting in this lockdown moral values that we can do things with less resources. But I also see that some poor people are going to their villages and their children are helping them. So, but they are hungry and they are dying too. So this is a disadvantage of this lockdown. Thank you.
Very nice. Very
You
nice.
are such a sensitive child, I think you have taken this from your mother. Your mother is also so sensitive. She wants to help everybody on earth. I think you have gone after your mother and your father too. I know both of your parents so well. It is a pleasure to hear from you, Prakhar. Now we go to Manasvi Chandra. Manasvi? Yes, Manasvi.
Everyone. Good morning, everyone. I'm Manasvi of 9. I would first of all like to thank Dr. Ruby Bansal for making me a part of this session. So I would like to share my experience with everyone. Although the lockdown started in March month, but I was staying in home from February as my new session was going to start from February. But due to some circumstances, there was some problem and it was postponed to March. So I'm staying in a house from the month of February. Although in February I was doing outing, cleaning parks, doing cycling, and after the lockdown I can't do anything of that. But still, when lockdown started, I felt like it's a good thing because now I can enjoy everything. Now I can do everything I wanted to. I can continue my hobbies. So I'm doing many things during lockdown because I love to cook and try new dishes. So I'm trying new dishes every week and every week. I've also started to learn playing electrical piano, and I also like someone said about White Hat Junior. I'm also learning. I'm also learning to code from Learn to Code, and it is giving me a very good experience. So during lockdown, it's a good experience for me, and still I feel bad because I can't meet my friends and I can't meet my teacher and can't do outing. But I'm feeling happy and sad both at the same time. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you.
Oh, good, Manasvi. I think Dr. Priya, Dr. Deepika, you see lot of children are cooking in this lockdown. So we will have the great future, like they will be happy when in the adulthood. So they will not be depend on anyone. They can cook themselves. They can just, when they will go to the hostel, they will go. So their parents will not be worried about their food. So that's a very good. I think we need to keep one good session on the cooking
Dr.
recipes.
Deepika can give them nutrition tips. Dr. Deepika can give them how to cook healthy food, how to cook it quickly.
Yes.
Yeah, everybody is involved in cooking. All our children, we can see they are involved in cooking. My very small tip to all children: just do not indulge too much in maida, okay? Because it only leads to weight gain. Indulge few times. You can indulge twice a week or thrice a week, not daily. Okay, this is the best tip I can give.
I think we will listen, Dr. Deepika. The children will learn sometime how to cook junk with the good, with the health.
We keep a session, Dr. Okay. Healthy cooking with Dr. Deepika. We keep a session, definitely. Okay, next is Jivitesh. Jivitesh Bakshi. Thank you, Dr. Deepika. Jivitesh Bakshi next.
Hi, I'm Jivitesh and I'm in 9th class and I'm actually from Jalad's class. He invited me here, so I'd like to thank him first.
Okay, good. Yes.
I honestly don't have many experiences in this period, but I do have some feelings I'd like to share. Like, honestly, in my opinion, isolation is bad. Whether I like it or not, it still affects me on a personal level. The frustration is unreal. It's like I'm breaking apart gradually. And there is this weird fear and a very morbid feeling with everything that surrounds you. Knowing that people are dying out there and you can do nothing about it is just plain depressing.
Yes.
It's like living in an apocalypse. You can go near someone, you can touch them, you have to maintain distance with everyone. And even after all this, people are not following the rules. Sometimes I feel bad for the world. But on the flip side, I kind of like it because I like being alone with my family, away from my life, because I would not say I'm lazy, but I needed some rest. And my schedule has been pretty tight and I hardly get any rest at all. So this actually is good for me. Also, my mother tries new dishes every day. So I'm kind of liking lockdown more than I'm hating it.
Dr.
Great, that's a very nicely. I mean, this child has like opened his heart with a true feeling. I think that is happening with a lot many children. We will, I think, keep one session also about how this fear can go and how this is like should not impact on these children. I think this type of the session will also help each other, because when you are listening to your sibling or peers, so you are getting some idea how to be happy alone, how to be happy in isolation as well. We need to have the habit of everything. So this lockdown is teaching us a lot of patience, which was not in the young generation or even in the adults also. So let's move to Dr. Priya. We want to hear all the children who are here with us.
Jivitesh, I would just like to tell you one thing. When all this started, I was very fearful myself. I'm a doctor. I've been in practice for 20 years. I was very fearful. Dr. Ruby made me cheerful, from fearful to cheerful. If you talk to Dr. Ruby for 10 minutes, all your fears will go and you will be cheerful. That is Dr. Ruby for you, fearful to cheerful. Okay, now we have.
That's good.
So we move to Priya Singh. Priya shares her name with me.
She wants to say something. Priya wants to
Priya.
Hello everyone. I am Priya Singh and I am in 11th standard.
Okay.
Thank you, Deepika auntie, thank you for letting me share my experience. Basically, I am a total extrovert and I am a sporty person. So before this lockdown happened, I usually don't stay at home. I have 3 sessions daily, so I stay outside. I don't spend any time at home. So it has been difficult for me, as I am a sporty person and I was not able to play at all and spend my time in sports. So yeah, but there are some positive points. Like, I have learned many new things, and I am able to spend my time with my family more, and I have learned many new things, and the time is used in doing productive things. So basically, it has also positive points and negative at the same.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Priya. Thank you. Now, next
Thank
we
you,
move to
Priya.
Madhav Kapoor. Madhav, you want to start your video or not?
Hello, I am Madhav Kapoor. I am in class 9, and thank you Jalaj Bevega to taking part of this. Thank you. I want to share my experience with all of you. My experience is that in COVID-19, I want to go outside for play cricket because my favorite sport is cricket. And in cricket, we have to practice daily. But still, I'm not able to practice. I don't go outside because of lockdown. You can ask Jalaj also because Jalaj is my best friend and I'm daily talk him. I'm not able to connect with all my friends also. I'm spending with my time few minutes with my parents because I have to do my homework that has come from school. In this day, I want to become a good bowler and batsman in cricket, but why has come and that's why I can't play it.
So we go to Ria. From Priya, we go to Ria. Ria, please, Ria Bhandari. Yes, Ria.
Hello, I'm from Ahmedabad. My name is Ria, and I'm very thankful to Jalaj, who gave me a chance to share my experience and my thoughts with everyone here. In this lockdown, I lost someone who was very close to me, and I've learned many things as a fond listener and learner of dance and music. I learned many dances, and I learned many forms of dances. This lockdown taught me how to be like patient and how to be tied up in a schedule. Then I got a new inspiration in this lockdown. I found my inspiration, and she is an IAS right now. And I don't like to study at home, and I like the environment of school because you can meet your friends, and I actually love that environment. I'm missing my school. So that's it right now.
So sorry for your loss, Ria. You know, prayers for the departed soul, and we are here to help you in any way if you want support from us. You know, these are tough times, and you children, I think you children are too small to face all this. We wish as adults, we could change all this for you. We could make the world a happier place. But believe me, it will make you stronger. You can face the world in a better way. But we are here to help you in anything, which we can do for you. Jayesh Tyagi there. Jayesh.
Hello everyone, my name is James. I am in class 8. When the lockdown started, I was in Dehradun with my grandparents, so I was very happy that the lockdown started, so I would spend more time with my family. But after some time, I was exhausted at staying at home. So I tried to do some new things, but no interest came to do that thing. So I was totally bored, so I spent more time with my grandparents and my family. When I came back home, for some time I was bored, and then I tried to do some new football skills, and I started some exercises. And during this online classes, I was busy in studying, so I was not so bored, and this is all. Thank you.
Thank you. Atulya Jain.
Hello everyone, I am Atulya Jain and I am sharing my lockdown experience with all of you. It all starts with COVID-19 when the lockdown started from 25th of March and kept on increasing and increasing. We couldn't even go out and play or roam around on streets. All we could do was lie at home and get bored. Then my online classes started. There's not much fun in online classes as we can't meet our friends as we did in school and can't play physical games like basketball in this lockdown. All the tasty things which we could eat like pizzas and burgers are now made in home. My mother's made her full effort, but eating at restaurant has its own fun. We couldn't even celebrate my mom's or dad's birthday like we used to when we had an outing and went to a restaurant to eat. The only thing which I liked about the lockdown was that we got to learn new things on mobile phones, computers, and we got quality time with our family. I even learned how to bake a cake, and after all, this is the new normal. I pray to God that the cure for COVID-19 comes out fast and this time passes by.
Yes, thank you. I think Dr. Ruby would agree. The whole of India has learned to bake a cake in this lockdown.
Yes, yes, yes. So we will have the so many of the cakes.
And in America, you will not believe in the US, you know.
I'm also gaining weight, and with the children's cake, I think we will gain more weight.
Dr. Ruby, in America, my sister,
I'm there. I'm
they were short of maida for 2 weeks. In America, US, they were short of maida for 2 weeks because everybody was baking a cake there. So is Maya's Mishra there?
It's great, India. We have not. Nobody has felt any shortage of anything.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's why we are the proud nation.
Ma'am, like we converted maida bread into atta bread. Likewise, we will convert cake into atta cake also.
Yes,
Very good. That's awesome.
Very nice. Let me finish. All the children, few are also waiting. Dr. Priya.
Krish, we would love to hear from you. Yes, Krish.
When the lockdown started some time ago, 3 or 4 months ago, I was really shocked because my exams had just ended and I had got very good marks, and so I was looking forward to getting good gifts and playing with my friends and showing off to my friends that I got such good marks. But none of that could happen, and I just had to stay at home. And I also couldn't get any good gifts. Also, my birthday was also celebrated at our home, and we would have gone to my grandmother's place, but which is very near to our house. But sadly, at that time, my area was there were many cases in my area, so we couldn't go. Our area was sealed, so I also had to celebrate my birthday at my house, and it's been really boring and frustrating.
Okay, so Krish, do you want to tell us some medicine that your mom is giving you as a prophylactic? You know, I know your mom is a doctor.
Yeah, my mother is giving me. My mother's a homeopathic doctor, and for a prevention for the virus, she's giving me.
Also to help your anxiety. Okay, you also to help your anxiety, make you feel happy. Okay, thank you, Krish. And now I think Kushagra. Kushagra, are you there?
Yes.
Kushagra has joined us from Ajmer. You know, he's in Ajmer right now. Yes, Kushagra.
My name is Kushagra, and I want to thank my Masi Priya that he has let me to speak on this platform. I am living in Ajmer, and during the starting of the lockdown, I was very happy as I am very introvert, because my mother always go out on touring job, and she was at home, so I spent time with her. And after that my mother asked me to take sessions of brain waves. Through that I am able to read and write blindfolded.
So you don't need to open your eyes right now?
Yes, I can read a book blindfolded also. And through these sessions, I have completed my full course of science and social.
Great.
And I have spent time in doing the sessions. And as 1 week ago, my grandfather is COVID positive, and by the guidance of my Masi Priya, he is fine till now, and he is isolated in our home, and I am very sad that I am not allowed from 5 months to go outside, and Now I don't like the lockdown, as I wanted to meet my friends, play with them.
So you are going to play soon, I think. Another 6 months or
Soon, I think soon all the children will be out soon, very soon. Just be positive, children. We all are fighting with this COVID, and I think everything will be over soon.
And I think we are done with the listed children. Anybody else who wants to give any comments, wants to speak, please raise your hand.
Gauri, would you like to speak? Gauri is a last minute addition, so maybe the Gauri can speak.
Yes, Gauri, please. I welcome you, Gauri.
Hello, everyone. So my name is Gauri. The lockdown period has gotten me like crazy. So after my boards, so I had many plans, and now it's full. It's so impossible to go out. Really frustrating for me. But after 10th board, so I went to my hometown. So like hometown, I have my phone, but I had no net, so I could play games. I couldn't do anything. So I was like full bored. But then I made momos. I used to do household works, and it was really enjoyable moment because I used to spend my time with my family, and I like it's okay for me now. The lockdown phase has started, and yeah, it's fine.
I think this lockdown has taught us the value of freedom. The value of freedom, the value to run in the streets, look at the sky. I think it has taught us so many things, to value every minute that you have with your loved ones, you hug your loved ones, all those things which we used to take for granted, this lockdown, this corona has taught us, Anybody wants to speak anything?
I want to complete my experience. Ma'am, I also help my mother in household work, like household work like cleaning the dishes and all, cleaning the bathrooms and all. So ma'am, and I'm really confident that if you send me abroad, so I will be managing a whole house on my own. I would not require any maid or something. So ma'am, the other thing I want to share is that ma'am, when we crave to go out, when we have a feeling that we want to go out, but ma'am, we can't because of the COVID, and our parents also restrict that please don't go out. It's COVID time outside, but we still insist. So we should not have that hesitation to go out because we are thinking that's okay. But this virus, it's like it is very curious to go inside you and look what's happening, right? So yes, you should not go out. You are taking the precautions. Still the virus is going inside, so you should stay at home, and if we will follow the precautions, stay at home. Importantly, we would stay at home. Each of one would be safe, and the whole country would be safe, because our responsibilities to our country is really much higher than going and playing, right? So I just wanted to share that, and thank you.
Great. I think Dr. Priya, let me just quickly ask, tell them all the precautions, as I don't want to miss that opportunity of the making them learn the precautions. And very well said, Yuvansh, that the precautions can save us. Prevention is better than any cure. So it's responsibility definitely of each one of us. And how Yuvansh, as Yuvansh told, if you will take the precaution, that virus will not come in. That is 100% true. If you will take precautions, this virus is not going to hurt you. You need to understand. And precautions are very limited. It's not something you don't feel, children, you are in the jail. You should be a brand ambassador of teaching even the adult how to take the precaution, what to do, right? So it's a simple thing, washing the hand. So keep on washing your hand, especially don't touch your face, mouth. Don't put your finger in the mouth. Don't put your, don't bite the nails, right? Don't eat with your mobile phone. Okay, that is very important because it can be contaminated. When you are eating, just stay away from everything. Wash your hand and full concentration on the food. Don't touch any surfaces. Wearing the mask is very important. So you can teach the elders. I can see lot of people are wearing the mask below nose. No, this is not correct. You should wear the mask covering your nose. It should be tightly bind. Okay, if the elastic is loose, you can just put a rubber band or something. But it should be tight because there should not be space for the entry. Right? So that is the important. And physical distancing, I can understand everybody is like sick of being in isolation. But this is the need of an hour. And you children can be the brand ambassador of teaching this. You can arrange such sessions with your class. Maybe just talk how to motivate each other. Stay connected with your friends. And this is a virtual platform is giving everyone the opportunity to stay connected. So that's my message. And make this definitely the physical distancing. At least if you are talking, so stay away. Don't create the crowd at home. It's not just out of the jail. Lockdown has opened, but don't feel you are safe. So stay safe. That's all what I wanted to say. Priya, over to you.
Yes, I think Yuvansh was very right. You know, he said if you go out, the virus will come in. I think that is what all of you should.
Yeah, I'm there.
Yes, Dr. Would you like to add something?
Yeah, definitely. I am very happy to see all the children have learned so much of good cooking in this lockdown period and help their parents. This is really very nice, appreciable, because all children have learned. And also the main thing is they have learned that all the junk food can be cooked in a very good manner, in a nutritious manner in the house. So this is very good. And we'll also learn some nutritional tips in another session. I'll be teaching them how to cook nutritionally.
Give some quick tips, Deepika. Dr. Deepika, give some quick tips. Which happy food? Tell them about the happy food.
Yes, happy foods. In between, everybody, all children, including us also, elders also want to munch on something in between meals. So my tip to munch in between is on fruits. Children do not eat fruits, and in between they go for chips, biscuits, cookies, namkeens, and momos and all. In between meals, in between your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, try to have good servings of fruits, which will give you a very good amount of fiber. And all the fruits are nutritionally very dense. All the seasonal fruits, mangoes or bananas, everybody should have 1 or 2 bananas daily, 1 or 2 mangoes daily. Guavas are also there. It is highly packed with iron. So in between, try to have this fruit, and try to have at least 2 servings of fresh vegetables, whatever seasonal vegetable is available. Just do not only depend on maida based preparations, because you will end up with empty calories.
Yes.
So try to have.
I think Dr. Deepika, we need to make some healthy stuff with the junk, basically, because I don't believe that will listen. Children will love to eat the fruits. We need to motivate them. We need to teach them how to just do what are the advantage of the good food.
Dr. Ruby, I think we can hold a session on how to eat your fruit.
Definitely.
How to eat your fruit.
Yes. Yes.
We'll teach them in another session how to they can mix their junk and nutrition all together.
Yeah.
We'll teach them.
Okay. So I think all of us will agree that we